In the run-up to its official launch, Nothing Phone 1 has been generating a lot of excitement. The smartphone is expected to be officially launched on July 12th. Ahead of its much-anticipated launch, the brand has started its public waitlist for invite-only pre-orders of the smartphone. Customers who have the UK-based company's dedicated pre-order pass will be able to book a slot to buy the smartphone after its launch. For customers in India, the pre-order pass for Nothing Phone 1 is currently available at a deposit of 2,000 rupee, which is refundable. Nothing company began sending invitation codes for a pre-order pass to its private members from Friday. Others can join the waitlist by visiting the company's official website and registering themselves with their email address. Nothing will be sending an invitation code for a pre-order pass through email, and thereafter the users can obtain the pass from Flipkart by paying 2,000 rupee. They can only secure the pass before June 30. Moreover, consumers will also get Nothing Phone 1 smartphone accessory and other pre-order offers after making the payment. Customers can also see their position on the waiting list after registering themselves. The smartphone has been trending on social media for its unique features and spectacular design. Nothing Phone 1 is expected to come with an OLED panel and will be powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G Plus processor. The device will feature a dual camera setup headlined by a 50-megapixel sensor. It will be backed by a 4500 ampere battery with 45 watts fast charging support. Another striking feature of the device is its glyph interface, which will enable LED lights on the rear panel to light up on notifications, calls, and charging. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates in the technology world.